So 10th standard, chapter 1, arithmetic progression. So in this chapter, we will study some important points and formulae. Then we will go to exercise. Now we will go to introduction part. So first point, what is given here? An arithmetic progression is a sequence of numbers. Sequence of numbers. Sequence of numbers means numbers are arranged in order. Numbers are arranged in particular order. So that is said to be sequence of numbers. So here for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So here the numbers are arranged in a particular order is said to be a sequence of numbers. Now here, in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number d. Each term is obtained by adding a fixed number d. What is the fixed number here you see? Now in this, now first number what is there? 1 is there. To get second number, so what we should do? We should add 1 to that previous number. So 1 plus 1 it become 2. Okay. Then to get next number, what we should do? We should add 1 to that previous number. So 1 plus 2 it become 3. So 3 plus 1 it become 4. 4 plus 1 it become 5. So here what is the fixed number here? The fixed number is 1. Okay. So to the preceding term except the first term. Okay. So fixed number we should add to the preceding term. Okay. So 1 plus 1 it become 2. Again 2 plus 1 it become 3. 3 plus 1 it become 4. Except the first term. Except first term we can add constant number to the preceding terms to get the succeeding terms. Okay, to get the next terms. Okay. Then now here the difference between two successive terms. The difference between two successive terms. Two successive terms means continuous terms. Okay, now for example here 2, 3 are two successive terms. Okay, the difference, that means you have to subtract 3 minus 2, 1. Okay, so the difference between the two successive terms of an AP is called common difference. The difference between two successive terms of an arithmetic progression is called a common difference. Okay, now here what is the common difference here? 2 minus 1 is equal to, what is here? 1. Then 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Then 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So here the difference is constant. Okay, that is the constant. Okay, so this is said to be common difference. Then each number in the sequence of an AP, each number in the sequence of AP arithmetic progression is called the term of an AP. So here this is said to be term of an AP. Terms, all these are terms of an AP. So here first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term and so on. Okay. So next point, the list of numbers. The list of numbers A1, A2, A3 is an arithmetic progression. Okay. If the difference is A2 minus A1, difference second term minus first term, then A3 minus A2, then A4 minus A3 and so on. So gives the same value. So here how we got the same value? 1. So in this way here also we will get the same value That means that is said to be common difference. Next point, the general form of an AP, the general form of an arithmetic progression is, what is the general form of arithmetic progression here? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D and so on. Okay. Then the general term of an arithmetic progression is given by, the general term of an arithmetic progression is given by an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, or we can take Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Now here to find a is the first term. What is a? A is the first term and d is the common difference. Okay. D is the common difference. So here next point, a sequence in which the difference between any two consecutive terms is the same constant is called an arithmetic progression. Okay. Now in this, suppose you see a sequence means the numbers are arranged in a particular way is said to be a sequence. Okay. A sequence in which the difference between any two consecutive terms, okay, any two continuous terms, okay, first term, next after the first term, second term. So the difference between second term and first term, then the difference between third term and second term, the difference between fourth term and third term should be constant, same constant. Okay, we should get same number. Okay, same constant is called an arithmetic progression. Then a sequence is defined as, a sequence is defined as an ordered list of numbers. Ordered list of numbers. That means numbers are arranged in some particular orders, different orders. Okay, but constant should be same. Okay. So a sequence, that means numbers are arranged in such a way that a sequence is defined as an ordered list. Some order should be there. In that list, order should be there. Some ordered list of numbers. The first, second, third terms of a sequence are denoted by T1, T2, T3 respectively. That means here the first term is said to be T1, the second term is said to be T2, third term is said to be T3, fourth term is T4 and so on. Okay. Then the sequence of numbers 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. Okay. So was discovered by a famous Italian mathematician. It was discovered by a famous Italian mathematician. So here the name of the mathematician here, Leonardo Fibonacci. Leonardo Fibonacci, when he was dealing with the problem of rabbit population. Okay. Sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. Sum of n terms. So n terms means here number of terms are given. Sum means we have to add all the given numbers, all the given terms. So it is said to be sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. So this time we have to use this formula, Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We have to use this formula. So here a is said to be, that is first term, and d is said to be the common difference. Okay, d is said to be the common difference. Now n is said to be total number of terms. How many terms are given in that question? Okay, so n is said to be total number of terms. Now one more formula is here. In that arithmetic progression, if last term is given, that time we have to use this formula. Sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression is also given by sum of n terms, number of terms, sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression is also given by Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus L. Okay, here a is the first term and L is the last term. Okay, then the nth term of an AP, nth term of an AP arithmetic progression is the difference of the sum of first n terms and the sum to first n minus 1 terms of it, that is An is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1 or Tn is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Now we know that all these formulas. So in exercise we will come to know that which type of questions, which formula we have to use. So that we will see in the next video. Thank you.